everyone! Today we're diving into the most asked question on the internet. How does the TikTok algorithm work? If you've ever wondered how some random video can completely blow up and go viral, while the videos you work so hard on barely get viewed, we're gonna answer that question today. Let's break it down in a super simple way that's easy for you to understand so you can start changing the game of your social media. You're gonna be working with the algorithm instead of against it after watching this video. Step 1, initial exposure. When you post a TikTok, it does not automatically get blasted out to all of your followers. Nope. Instead, TikTok sends it out to a small group of people, kind of like a test run. This group is a mix of your already existing followers and potential followers on the For You page. TikTok does this to see how people are going to react to your video to then decide if more people should see it. That brings us to step number 2. Engagement is everything. TikTok is paying close attention to how this group of people engages with your content. Do they like it? Do they comment on it? Do they watch it all the way through? Do they watch it again? Do they share it with their friends? This allows TikTok to see, hey, people are into this, or people don't really like this video. The better your video does in this phase, the more TikTok will be able to say, all right, more people should see this video. And then it gets pushed to a wider audience, which brings us to step number 3, the snowball effect. If your video is doing well and getting lots of engagement, it's gonna go to phase 2. Wider distribution. This means TikTok is going to start showing it to more and more people. This is why sometimes a video you posted hours, days, or even weeks ago can randomly start to blow up. TikTok is constantly reevaluating your video's performance. Which brings us to step number 4, the algorithm's feedback loop. This whole process repeats itself again and again and again. The algorithm uses all of the data it collects, what people like, what people don't like, what videos people watch all the way through, what videos you skip, to create your ultimate For You page, which is unique to each and every user. It's basically a giant learning machine that is always improving and always customizing your social media experience. At the end of the day, TikTok wants people to use their platform. So that's why they have such a great fine-tuned For You page so that everyone's videos that they're watching are engaging and what they would like. And this is also why everyone's For You page is so different. So what influences your reach? There are 4 big factors. Number 1, those user interactions. Like we said, TikTok is always watching the videos that you comment on, you like, you watch all the way through so that it can show you more videos like that. And it works the same way with the content you put out. If people are liking your content, they're gonna see more of it. Number 2, video information. This is your captions, your hashtags, your on-screen captions, the text you put on screen. This is where you can really use SEO to your advantage. Number 3, location and language. TikTok is going to show your videos to people in the same location or using the same language as you, especially if you are an in-person business, like a restaurant operating out of a certain city. If you tag that city, TikTok will show it to people who also are in that city. And number 4, audio. Trending audios are so important if you want to go viral. Using trending sounds is such a great way to get discovered because TikTok groups similar content together. So now some tips to go viral. I have 5 big tips for you. Now that you know how the algorithm works, it's time to use it to your advantage. Number 1, hop on those trends, but always be yourself. The best creators are authentically true to themselves. Number 2, be interactive. Have interactive captions. Ask your audience questions. Start a conversation. Don't just talk at people, have a conversation with them. Number 3, high quality videos. Make sure your videos aren't blurry or bouncy or shaky. Always have good lighting, good visuals, and even some sound effects. Number 4, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, like comments, follow people back. Duet other creators. Be a part of the community. And number 5, most importantly, stay consistent. A lot of people will tell you there's a secret number for how many times a day or a week you're supposed to post, but really the right answer is what you can promise yourself you'll stay consistent with. So if you can consistently post twice a week or twice a day, whatever works for you, consistency matters most. And there you have it. TikTok's algorithm is not as mysterious as it seems. It's really all about creating content that people enjoy and can engage with. So start experimenting, have fun, and don't overthink it. Remember, the most successful TikTokers weren't afraid to just be themselves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below. I'll see you next time.